In this video, we're going to share with you 10 powerful tips that will force your body to bulk up fast. Get ready to unlock the secrets of rapid muscle growth and transform your body in record time. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Increase your caloric intake. To bulk up, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. Focus on nutrient-dense foods and increase your overall caloric intake to create a surplus for muscle growth. Tip 2. Prioritize compound exercises. Compound exercises, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, stimulating greater muscle growth and overall strength gains. Tip 3. Lift heavy and progressive overload. Challenge your muscles by lifting heavy weights and gradually increasing the load over time. Progressive overload is crucial for muscle growth and strength development. Tip 4. Fuel your body with adequate protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Ensure you're consuming enough high-quality protein from sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options. Tip 5. Optimize your training frequency and volume. Find the right balance between training frequency and volume. Aim for intense workouts targeting specific muscle groups while allowing enough rest and recovery time. Tip 6. Get sufficient sleep. Sleep is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your body's recovery process. Tip 7. Stay hydrated. Hydration is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in muscle function and overall performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles hydrated. Tip 8. Incorporate resistance training. Resistance training, such as using weights or resistance bands, helps stimulate muscle growth and strength gains. Mix up your workouts with different training techniques. Tip 9. Keep track of your progress. Monitor your workouts, nutrition, and body measurements to track your progress. This will help you identify areas for improvement and stay motivated along your bulking journey. Tip 10. Stay consistent and patient. Building muscle takes time and dedication. Stay consistent with your training and nutrition plan, and be patient. Results will come with perseverance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice. Share this video with others who are looking to bulk up quickly and build muscle. Together, let's achieve our desired physique and reach our fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time.